High blood sugar, also known as hyperglycemia, occurs when there is an excessive amount of glucose in the blood. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including not producing enough insulin or the body being unable to use insulin properly. To be clear, this is a potentially deadly disease with many severe complications. Here are some common symptoms, causes, and treatments for high blood sugar. Here's a list of common symptoms. Increased thirst. Frequent urination. Blurred vision. Slow healing cuts and bruises. Due to high blood sugar, the body is unable to fight the infection as effectively as someone who has glucose in the normal range. This condition, if not treated promptly, may result in serious infection resulting in amputation. Increased hunger and dry mouth are also symptoms of diabetes. Diabetes, the most common cause of high blood sugar, is diabetes, which can be either type 1 or type 2. Stress can increase blood sugar levels in some people. Medications, certain medications can cause high blood sugar levels, such as steroids, beta blockers, and some diuretics. Infections can cause the body to produce hormones that increase blood sugar levels. Other health conditions. High blood sugar can also be caused by other health conditions, such as pancreatic cancer, Cushing's syndrome, or hyperthyroidism. Medications. If you have diabetes, your doctor may prescribe medication to help lower your blood sugar levels. Insulin. People with type 1 diabetes need insulin injections to control their blood sugar levels. Lifestyle changes, eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress can all help to lower blood sugar levels. Monitoring blood sugar. Regular blood sugar monitoring can help people with diabetes to manage their condition effectively. Today, there are many tools that make a diabetic's life more manageable. In addition to newer synthetic forms of insulin, there have been great technological advancements in glucometers as well as insulin pumps that manage the distribution of insulin to your body the way a working pancreas would. It's important to seek medical attention if you are experiencing symptoms of high blood sugar, as untreated high blood sugar can lead to serious complications such as nerve damage, kidney damage, and even blindness. The good news is that with new treatment advances, these health complications are avoidable. You can tackle this. Welcome to the fight. If you found this information helpful, please hit the subscribe button and the like button for more informative information like this.